Hello friend, in this video you are about to learn that how to rig simple character in easy way. So let's start this tutorial. First, this is our character and this is single image. We have to rig it. So first click on this overlay and enable here wireframe. Now press Shift A under Armature, select single bone. Now select Armature, then click on this object data properties. Under this viewport display, expand it and enable in front option. Now this is bone. So first we have to move on Z axis. So press G, then Z and just move little bit like this. Now turn on edit mode, then also enable this option, that is symmetric option. So enable X symmetric option. Now press G, then Z and move little bit on Z axis. Now press E, then Z and extrude like this. Now press Shift E, then X and just extrude like this. And we have to extrude one in this way. So press E and just extrude like this. Now we can see that this part is completed with armature. Now select this tip. Now press E, then Z and extrude bone till here. Now press E, then Z and just extrude this bone till here. Again press E, then Z and just extrude like this. Now select this point. Now press Shift E and just extrude like this. Now press E, then Z and extrude on Z axis like this. Now press E, then Z and extrude one like this. Now press E, then Z and extrude bone like this. Now press 3 for right view. Now press E, then Y and extrude on Y axis. Select this bone. Now press G, then Z and adjust this bone like this. Now we have to delete this bone. So select this bone. Now press X and delete this bone. Now select this bone here. Now press 3. Now press E, then Y and extrude on Y axis. This bone will be IK controller. So select this. Now press Alt P and select first option, that is clear parents. Now again press Alt P. Now select second option, that is disconnected bone. Now press G and you can see this bone is disconnected. Now right click to cancel it. Now press 7 for top view and select this bone. Now press G, then X and move this bone like this. Now press E, then X and extrude one like this. Select this tip. Now press E, then Y and extrude this bone. This bone is also IK controller. So select this bone, now press Alt B and repeat previous process. Now press G and you can see this bone is disconnected. Also select this bone, now press G then Y and just move little bit on Y axis like this. Now press 3 for right orthography view. Also select this bone, this is leg bone. Now press G then Y and just move little bit on Y axis. Now switch to pose mode. Now select this bone, holding shift, select this bone. Now press shift I and select to active bone. Now click on this bone constraint properties. Under this chain length increase till 2 because there are two bones here. Now select this controller. Now press G then Z and you can see this is working well. Also select this bone controller, select this bone, hit shift I and select to active bone and increase this chain length, that is 2. Select this bone, select this bone, now press shift I, select to active bone and increase chain length, that is 2. Now you can check this. Press G and you can see this is working. Also do same process with this last controller. Press shift I, select to active bone, increase chain length, that is 2. Now switch to object mode. Select first mesh, holding shift, select armature. Now press Ctrl P and select here with automatic weights. Now select this armature, switch to pose mode, select this controller, now press G and you can see this is working well. But you can see when you move this bone, this part is also moving. You can fix it, and with this bone controller we can also see this problem. So press A to select everything. Now press Alt G for clear location. Switch to object mode. Now select first armature, holding shift, select mesh, switch to wet paint. Now holding shift, select this bone and we can see when we select this bone we can see that this area is also affected. So click on this icon and select here subtract brush. Now just remove this effect like this. Blue area, it means there is no effect of this bone. Just reduce like this. Now switch to object mode, select this armature, switch to pose mode, select this bone controller, click on this overlay and turn off this wireframe. Now press G then Z and you can see that there is no any effect of this bone. I hope you learned something from this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.